This TruShield Full Shade top is for those of you that have a 1997 to 2006 TJ and are looking for a way to have that open air driving experience, but also to knock a little bit of that sun off of the head and shoulders of both you and your backseat passengers. This is going to be a 1 out of 3 wrench installation that you'll be able to get done in about 15 minutes or less, and every time you install this and uninstall it, you're just going to get that much faster with it. Now, there are going to be quite a few mesh tops out there on the market, and a lot of them are going to be pretty similar to this one in both build, function, and in price. This is going to be a well-built option. It's going to install without the need for a header. It doesn't wrap around your sport cage, so it's not going to interfere with your soft top or a hard top. You can have this installed with either of those tops in place, and it is just going to get the job done, taking a little bit of the sun's rays off of you and your passengers while still giving you that open air driving experience. Now, this is going to be a little bit less expensive than some of those premium mesh tops. Those premium mesh tops are going to install a little bit differently. They're not going to have the same bungee cords that can eventually stretch out, or you can lose them if you're not careful. And they are going to have a little bit of a higher build quality. So if you have a higher budget, you plan on running this year round, or you want something that's going to last a very, very long time, then one of those other options might be a little bit better. But if you're going to be using this a little bit more sporadically, if you are on a little bit of a tighter budget, this is still going to be a very nice option. This is made from a woven PVC covered polyester material. It's going to have an additional reinforcement around the outside of it, and that's where all of your holes are going to be punched and riveted into it. And these are going to have a metal rivet to keep anything from tearing or stretching out as you have it installed. Up front here, you can see it does have 2 zippered pockets. This one has all of your bungee cords in it right out of the box, and it's a really good idea every time you uninstall this from your Jeep to put those bungee cords back in that zipper pocket again, so you're not going to lose them. Overall, this is going to be a pretty well-built mesh top. It is going to hold up pretty well for you, and it is going to offer protection for both the front and the rear seat passengers in your TJ. So again, for installation, definitely 1 out of 3 wrenches, less than 15 minutes. This is going to install with all of those bungee cords onto the sport cage of your Jeep. You're going to want to start toward the front of the Jeep, hooking this small carabiner onto the footman loop that is at the top center of your windshield frame. From there, use your bungee cords starting at the front, working your way to the back, wrapping them around the sport cage as you go, and that's it. Like I said, you can install this once and leave it installed underneath your hard top or your soft top, or you can always uninstall it, fold it up nice and small, tuck it inside your Jeep or in your garage, and reinstall it whenever you need it. This mesh top will run you right around $100. Like I said before, that is going to be a moderate price. There are going to be some other options out there that are going to be pretty similar to this. Now, you can always step up to a premium top by either Dirty Dog or J-Tops USA. They are going to attach a little bit differently. They're not going to use those bungee cords. They might not flap as much. You're going to have some different designs, a little heavier duty material, but again, you're going to pay more money. As far as a top that's designed like this one is, there are a couple different options. I think this one is very affordably priced and very fairly priced for what you're getting. So if you're looking for a mesh top to give you that open air driving experience, but also a little bit of protection from the sun's rays, I definitely recommend taking a look at this option from TruShield, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.